that off for you, hun?
Yes.
$29.69. $16.34 is a total. Look at that. That's a lot better than it was.
Yes, it is.
Half.
Yes.
So there it is. That's another really successful haul. I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm going to go ahead and leave a screenshot at the end so that you can see what the numbers look like. Go ahead and click those coupons in the app. If you do not have the app, you need to download it, because all you do is put your phone number in, and any of the coupons that you've clicked, as long as they apply to the thing that you're purchasing, they will come off at the end at checkout. And you can add your items into the cart before you go into the store. That's what I do. That's what I did today. And it will actually show me, after I've clipped all my coupons, what my total is going to be and how much I'm saving. So I get to see that before I even go in and get to the register. So if you like videos like this, please be sure to follow me for more content like this. I love to show people how to coupon, because at a point where my family went from making really great money down to a one-income household, this skill really just saved our budget, and it made a big difference. And I still use it to this day, no matter how our financial situation has changed. I still use it because it is so smart to do so, and it just makes sense. You can take this money, you can funnel it back into things like holidays, birthdays, Christmas every year. If I save 50%, you heard this cashier say that that was half. A very successful haul, and very easy. This is not extreme couponing. This is very beginner friendly couponing. If I saved half every week like I aim to do, and generally speaking I do, I usually always hit about that half point mark if I'm not extreme couponing, then throughout the year, that's $700 or $800 if I just stick to this one haul on Saturdays. If I don't do anything else, you can take $700 or $800 and you can invest it. You can put it into an ETF fund. You can put it in your savings account. You can add it to an emergency fund. You can use that for your Christmas fund. You can use it for a vacation. There's so many things you can do with the money that you save couponing. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. The screenshot afterwards will show you the breakdown of it. I'll see y'all next week.